Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy A17. Before we move on to the settings, first I will quickly explain how to navigate with TalkBack enabled. So if you use 3 buttons for navigation, most likely you want to go to background apps, so you should be able to tap on the button that allows you to check apps that are running in the background. Tap on it once in order to select it, and then double tap in order to confirm a choice. This is how we can choose something from our screen, just by tapping once and then double tapping to confirm. But if you use gestures for navigation, and generally speaking, if you perform any gestures like scrolling or changing pages, then instead of using 1 finger, you actually want to use 2 fingers. So in this case, if I use gestures for navigation, I need to use 2 fingers in order to go to background apps like this. Now over here, we can just tap on the close all button and let's close everything. And let's start from the home screen. So in this case, I'm gonna go to app drawer. So I need to use 2 fingers to swipe up like this. Tap on settings once and then double tap. Then we're gonna scroll down over here with 2 fingers, of course. So just keep scrolling to find accessibility. Tap on accessibility once and then double tap. Then we're gonna tap on TalkBack once and then double tap. And over here, tap on the switcher at the top and then double tap to select it. Tap on turn off and double tap. And there we go, the TalkBack is disabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.